Well, him indoors has brought me to a lovely little village to live, and we started making this nest, and I'm looking after it. I must be very important here because I've been given a title. They call me Speedwatch Bird. And oh, what was that? Is that something going past then? I wonder if that's got something to do with the job that they said I had to do. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Yeah, I'll just carry on getting comfortable. Oh, there's something else going past. Let's see what that is. Ooh. So that was going reasonably slowly. Oh, I might be quite interested doing this. Perhaps this is part of my job. Anyway, I just want to settle down and get comfortable and... Oh, could put a nice picture up there. I'll have to start thinking about how I'm going to sort out this nest. Picture in the middle there, I think, on that wall. I might change the colour as well. Yeah. Oh well, I'll just get a little shut-eye if I can now. Have a little rest. Hold on. I can see here's something else out there as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, it sounds quite busy out there. Anyway, I'll... oh. I wonder if I could put another picture there as well. I don't want to get it too cluttered. I'll have to start thinking about this.